Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we will sneaker review and unboxing the Nike SHOX TL. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of these reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown our way. I just want to take the time and opportunity and with subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. Thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at a Nike SHOX TL. We've got this in the black Bolt fire red colorway in EQ size 7.5, the US 48.5, sorry, and it's a European 42. So we've got a look at a classic sneaker here, thinking early 2000s looks. That's what's on trend at the minute, because SHOX are back. Always been interested in these sneakers. I mean, look at that, you've got this SHOX technology, there's like springs. I mean, there was a time when a lot of these sneaker brands like Reebok, Adi, even Nike, obviously Nike, we got it right here, they were doing this experimental phase where they were doing like, essentially looking like springs on their sneakers. But today we're going to look at one of the OG ones, the SHOX, and we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole, you've got a rubber outsole with traction padding all around, and you can look at this window here, so like air, well it's not, sorry, there's no air. Looking at the midsole unit, so this midsole is foam, however you look at the SHOX technology here, these pillars you find right there on the sneaker. And what that does is compresses and then regains shape, when you put some weight on it. And it's the upper as well. It's got that OG feel of it, 2000s. It looks like a TN, or maybe Nike MX Plus with this page. See, we got a mesh underneath it in that really Bolt and fire red colorway. Really early 2000s vibes right here. Looking at the toe box, see with the mesh, quick lacing system, the Nike SHOX logo right there at the tongue. Right at the heel, you got the Nike SHOX logo there also. And just on the midsole unit, sorry, the outsole, I mean insole, there we go, insole. But it's like foam insole for you. The dog sneaker, I've always been, I want to say a fan of it. Sorry, the hype is like that. And growing up, I mean, I've always seen these sneakers because I grew up a child of the 90s. So we saw a lot of my relatives wearing these cool sneakers, and I always thought, oh yo, those springs must make you jump across. I don't really see it athletically, if that makes any sense. I think it's just all aesthetics, just there to look really cool. I mean, I'm sure the compression works, but yeah, it was so weird seeing these pillars and what I thought was springs. I mean, they're not even that. They're just there for the aesthetics, really. If you're wondering how big the pillars are, I'd say just below 3 inches. So they're giving you a bit of height, I guess. And no, I mean, it's great to see that these come back in the fashion trends, because you can see Martin Rose did their own SHOX. They look really cool as well. I'm not gonna lie, this is gonna be the first time I'm gonna try wearing them, so hopefully it's gonna be a string in my set. So roll up, we can try these on.
When it comes to the fit guys, I recommend that you get your size Nike fit. These are UK size 7.5. They fit perfectly, they look cool, and I'll be honest, they do kind of see the columns, the pillars of the SHOX. They're quite comfy as well, not gonna lie. Fashion girlies are on, sorry. These are a really cool looking sneaker. They add a bit of height to me as well. I feel like a bit like 6 foot equivalent. You know, I'm like 5'9". I'm joking, I'm already 5'8". But I feel a bit taller. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us up at Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.